Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't love me anymore. I knew it would happen this way. I can tell by the way you smile and fix your hair. There's no thought of me there. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. When I think of the way it used to be, me loving you and you loving me, you know it kinda makes me want to cry, realizing that our love has died. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. The sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Every night I come out to this bar, sitting here wondering where you are, drowned in my sorrows and my beer. Here's to you, wishing you were here. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Like the morning sun, gazing out at everyone. To be in the sight of them is like heaven. Your perfume is in the air, your presence is felt everywhere. How could there be one as lovely as you? You're in my dreams, you're in my day. I love you in so many ways. Such beauty to behold when holding you. Your warmth is my desire, to lay with you when I retire, to feel your lips touching mine. You're in my dreams, you're in my day. I love you in so many ways. Such beauty to behold when holding you close, when holding you close. Friendly Crossings, take 6. Would you like to come with me to Friendly Crossings? It's a place where there's a lot to see. We can walk through the wilds and be free. Where the world stops at 5 o'clock and we get off at Friendly Crossing. Escape for a few days and partake in the ways of Friendly Crossing. Stops at 5 o'clock and we get off at Friendly Crossings. Escape for a few days and partake in the ways of Friendly Crossing. Through you were here. Can't stop thinking of you. I wish you were here. The minutes seem to pass like hours, and the hours pass like days. My head is spinning round, can't see through the haze, and I need to talk with you and see your face. All this time